What is freelancing? Well, it's a career path where you work independently, offering your skills and services to clients on a project basis. Think of it as being your own boss, choosing the projects you love, and having the flexibility to work from anywhere. So, whether you are a writer, designer, developer, or anything in between, freelancing can be an exciting and rewarding way to make a living. Now, let's jump into those 5 steps to kickstart your freelancing career. The first step in your freelancing journey is to identify your skills. What are you good at? Are you a creative writer, a graphic designer, a web developer, or maybe a social media guru? Write down your strengths and passions. This will be the foundation of your freelance career. But don't worry, if you're not sure yet, finding your niche takes time. Let's say you are a fantastic graphic designer. You can create stunning logos, posters, and social media graphics. That's your golden ticket to freelancing success. So find your passion, work on your skills, and soon enough, you will be in high demand. Building an online presence is key in today's freelancing world. Create a website, set up social media profiles. Your profile is like your digital resume. Clients want to see what you can do, so showcase your best work. Create online profile on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. Fill out your profile with your skills, portfolio, and an engaging bio. Even if you are just starting, you can create mock projects to fill up your portfolio. This shows potential clients that you are ready to take on their projects and deliver outstanding result. Alright, step 3 is all about networking. Remember, it's not just what you know, it's also who you know. Join online communities related to your niche, attend networking events, and connect with other freelancers. Don't forget to pimp out your LinkedIn profile. It's like your digital business card. Don't be shy about connecting with potential clients or collaborations. It's all about building relationships. The bigger your network, the brighter your freelancing future. You never know where your next big opportunity will come from. Now, this can be a tricky one, but it's super important. Research what freelancers in your niche are charging and price yourself competitively. Don't undervalue your skills, but don't overprice either. Also, always have clear contracts in place to protect yourself and your clients. For example, if other graphic designers in your area charge $50 per hour, consider starting at $40 to attract your first client. As you gain experience, you can gradually increase your rates. Once you land your first gig, give it your all. Deliver outstanding work on time, exceed your clients' expectations, meet deadlines every single time. Imagine the client's delight when they receive a logo that's even better than their expectations. Your reputation is your most valuable asset in freelancing. Happy clients are more likely to hire you again and refer you to others. Freelancing isn't always sunshine and rainbows. There will be challenges and setbacks along the way. The key is to keep going, learn from your failures, and adapt to changing circumstances. Remember, every successful freelancer started somewhere. Don't give up, you have got this. And there you have it. 5 steps to kickstart your freelancing career today. Remember, it's all about finding your niche, building an online presence, networking, setting your rates, and delivering outstanding work. If you follow these steps, success is just around the corner. Remember, freelancing offers flexibility, independence, and endless opportunities. So, what are you waiting for? Start freelancing today and turn your dreams into reality. Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. Which steps are you going to work on first? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more freelancing tips and tricks.